Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Apple report for Thursday, March 23rd, 2023. Big day on Wednesday. We could take a look at this chart. We pushed through this longer term resistance area. I still only call it 3 stars, but I've been mentioning how it may be an area that does contain buying into April trade, and we can fall off from here. I'll get to the support areas in a moment, but we pushed through this. We didn't put out a key reversal high, but we did put out a mini reversal, I call it, where we pushed to a new high and then closed negative on the day. So 158.99, the 2/3 speed line, 160.49, the 5/8 Fibonacci. This area is still meaningful, able to contain buying through next week, and below which I'll just jump right to 149.97. I think this is in reach over the next week or two. I know I don't have 158.99 and 160.49 shown here. Well, you do as a horizontal line, but this rising speed line, this new rising 1/3 speed line in reach, possibly by the end of next week, below 158.99. On the way down today, I do have a new channel bottom. Where are you? I don't know if I see it anywhere. No, that's not it. There it is. 157.53, based in part on Wednesday's high. Can contain session weakness, and we can come off of there back into the upper 150s, back into the 158.99 to 160.49 region. This could be like an early morning situation, but if we break, especially if we open below 157.63, that would be a gap lower opening anyway. That should yield 153.83 on an intraday basis. And that could be it for the day to the downside. And if we close below 157.63, I think we're probably, I don't know, about 3 to 5 days. It certainly could be that quick. I'd say by the end of next week, 149.97, where we could bottom out. Possibly through April and then turn up again from there. From 149.97, we can retest that longer term resistance area in the upper 150s, low 160s. So if we're testing this area now, and if you're an options trader, you could consider reaching for 150 out of the money puts that don't expire for at least a week. I'd go a couple weeks out, and there's always a chance, of course, I don't see it yet. If we close below 149.97, I see it. That is to say, the 130s, 139.14. So, if we do close in the next week or two below 149.97, then the upper 130s become the next 2 to 3 week target. It is a bit stair step.
Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Apple report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today.
But you could consider buying 135, 140 out of the money puts because you never know, right? But I don't see that at all as an objective, as a realistic downside target, unless we actually close below 149.97 over the next week or two. Now, working our way up today, pushing or opening above the 160.49 level. I've got 162.14, which is yesterday's high, beyond which 163.51 is in reach. There's 163.36. And you also have another shorter term channel top at 163.51. So I rounded up there. That would probably be it for the day, 163.36 to 51. But also know that if we close up in that vicinity, that is a meaningful buy signal as we move into April trade above this zone here. If we close above 160.49, I do think we're 2 to 3 weeks away from reaching 172.10, which is a long-term objective anyway. I didn't start that way today, but holding above the low to mid 120s, I'm mentioning how that channel top on the weekly chart, 169.57, is a realistic target over the course of 23. And it was the settlement in February above 139.14 that narrowed that to within 3 to 5 months. And it would be a settlement today above 160.49 that would narrow it further to probably 2 to 3 weeks, where at 172.10, this market can top out on a quarterly basis, possibly into later year. I think I've pretty much said everything there is to say. Please click like and subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. I'll be back tomorrow with Fridays. You have a great evening.